What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go ahead and do some updating, remodeling, and all that stuff. But in order for us to finish, we need these cabinet hinges right here. So I bought a 3/4. On my old ones, it says 5/8. So 3/4, 5/8. And this is a slow close, and it's slow closing right now as we speak. This is so awesome. So you can actually transform your old cabinets to the slow close mechanism. This is very nice. Now, I must be honest with y'all, at Home Depot and Lowe's, this stuff is expensive. So I went on Amazon, you guys. I will link this in the description. Yeah, so I am not all the way into the science of all of this part right here, but once I install it, and we will see from there how everything goes. So I believe you can make adjustments with this, so I will figure that out. This is pretty cool, you guys. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 of them, you guys. All right, you guys, so I do have the old one right here. And if you need to know your measurement, it says it right here. Well, mine says it on the back, okay? I don't know technically where yours say it at, but look on here so you can know the proper one to order when you get there, because the one I will link in the description is obviously the one that I bought, which is a 3/4, but they do have a 1/2 inch. And yeah, so I just want to inform y'all on that. If you click on the link, you go to Amazon, make sure you get the right measurement that you need. Now, what I'm doing, I'm just measuring up. This is the distance as far as where this hangs on to the cabinet. I will show y'all when I hang it up, and it looks about the same. So both of those look like it matches. So we're gonna go upstairs, start installing this stuff. Okay, everyone, so I have the hardware right here, and this is the old one. So basically it's out with the old, right? Unfortunately, but we have the new one right here, and we are ready to do our test fit. And it feels just a tad bit snug, but it fits. This comes with screws, so I don't have to use the old rusted out ones. And I have my drill on a light setting, just to let y'all know. All right, you guys, I'm actually excited right now. I want to see the door close. All right, and that's it, you guys. Now I just have to hook up the other one. Oh, that's the old one. Oh, I wonder if I could have just installed one of these. Is that cheap? Is that being too cheap, you guys? All right, you guys, so let me see if I can put this into the existing hole. So let's see. Sorry, you guys, I'm gonna be in your way because I need to see. All right, I'm in the hole. All right, easing my way in, and I'm in. My apologies. I actually had y'all all the way back there, but now for the moment of truth, I'm gonna put y'all back. And we have just one door on, but I'll do the rest and show y'all the final product after. But here we go. You guys, this is so cool. You guys, 20-year-old cabinets, you can actually turn them into modern day cabinets. I don't know if you can adjust it. I don't know if that's why all this is here. If you put it in the comments, I will pin your comment if you can adjust the slow close. As a matter of fact, let me see if I can do it. I know that there's 3 screws here, right? All right, so let me see if I can loosen that. All right, I'll loosen that. I'm gonna loosen that. Let's see. That didn't really do nothing. Loosen. So I'm going all the way in. All the way in. Let's see. I didn't see no difference. I didn't see no difference, you guys. So I'm going to just loosen it some more. Let me go ahead, finish the rest, and then I'll wrap up everything. All right, you guys, so everything is on right now and assembled. Okay, you guys, so we have installed all 4 doors, and I just want to let y'all know, when it comes to finding out your measurement, you need to measure from here to here. And this is your actual measurement that you'll see when you shop on Amazon, okay? So before you buy it on Amazon, make sure you get this right. My old one said 5/8 and these are 3/4. So basically same thing, okay? Not too far off. And actually 3/4 fit perfect, okay? So that is my 3/4 on these wooden cabinets, old school style, and done painting and everything. And you see that they have the slow close on it.